Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox the KnitCrate membership for October 2018, and as you can see it comes in this bubble wrap envelope now. I don't know why there's no nice box that we had in the previous KnitCrates, but I'm sure there's a reason for it and it's fine as long as we get the beautiful yarn inside and the nice patterns. So as you can see, envelope, I already cut mine because I usually struggle. So this is the booklet, and as you can see it comes like quite detailed this time. It's not just like a leaflet anymore. It's like a proper book with the patterns written inside, so you won't lose your links to your patterns. If you don't have Ravelry to keep them there in your library, then you can keep the books and use the books as the patterns. And let's see what I can show you from it. You get the digital pattern downloads. You get a lot of information. Here we have the pictures of the yarn. It says this beautiful yarn is in this month's Artisan KnitCrate term page 20 to learn more about this month's diet. Actually, I think I got it all mixed up. This might be the Artisan KnitCrate. Where do I find if it is? I don't know. But anyway, you get a lot of nice this is kind of like a KnitCrate magazine now. Is not just pattern. You have a lot of stuff in here, and you have information about the wool that you're getting and the dyers, and I'll show you one of the patterns. Moss Boss is called. It's a bit dark, so I don't know if you can see it on camera, but here it is. It's a cowl. No, it's a shawl. That's in this KnitCrate. This is the crochet pattern. So the knitted pattern is called Huerta, and this is what it looks like. It's like a lace with hearts, and obviously you get the everything that you need on the next page, including the pattern, which I can't show you. Let's see what else I can show you. Okay, so here you have information about the designers. This is the designer for the crochet pattern, and these are the designers for the knitted pattern. You have, I'm sure they have Ravelry. Yeah, they have Ravelry shops. About the dyer, you get everything. Oh wow, why do I get another one? Here's another. How many patterns do I have? This is confusing, but anyway, I'm not complaining. This is another pattern that you find, First Frost, that you can do with the wool you're getting. And that's a knitted one. Let's see what else. Oh my goodness, you get a hat as well. Here's a hat pattern. I don't know if this is going to happen in all the KnitCrates from now on, but already we have 4 patterns in one go, which is unbelievable. Oh wow, you also get a sock pattern. There you go. This is just amazing. And let's see, because we're nearly at the end of the booklet. Oh, another sock pattern. So I think you get in the booklet, you get all the patterns for all the KnitCrates, and then with the wool you're getting, you choose what you're gonna make with the wool. Anyway, but yeah, this is the booklet. Lots and lots of patterns in there. Now let's see what wool we get. So with the normal KnitCrate membership, you get 2 skeins. Whoa, I love the colors. So usually get 2 skeins. It's either sock, like fingering weight, worsted weight, chunky. This is their Odin wools. We've had this before in a KnitCrate. I had the red one, which was amazing and I loved it. This is 50% alpaca, 30% merino wool, 20% nylon. It's a DK weight, 100 grams, 236 yards, 215 meters. I don't know if you can see it. 100 grams, like I said. Suggested needle size US 3 to 5 or 3.25, 3.75 millimeters. Hand wash only, lay flat to air dry, and you get 2 skeins. And you should have, in your booklet, you should have patterns for this wool. And let's see, I think it's this one. Let's see, no, not that one. I'm looking for it. Yeah, this is it. So this would be the pattern for this wool if you want to make a shawl, or you could do the crochet pattern with this wool, and you get all the instructions in the booklet and more patterns as well. Now you would usually pay for a skein like $24 or something, but with the KnitCrate membership you get lots of patterns, you get beautiful wool, free delivery every month, exciting, and it all costs $24.99. You can get 20% off your first order with my code TEO20, and I'll link everything down below. And yeah, this is the beautiful wool that I got in my October KnitCrate, and it's so exciting. I love this weight, especially for autumn. I don't know what I'm going to make with this. Probably a shawl. I always ended up making shawls or cardigans or the techno sweater, but for that I would need a fingering weight yarn. But yeah, this is the KnitCrate membership for October, and stay tuned for the artisan KnitCrate for October. That will be coming up next. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to check in the description all the links to where you can get your membership, how much you can get off with my code 20%, like I said. And I'll also link the KnitCrate Ravelry page and their website, where you can see more pictures of the wool or of the patterns that they have in this KnitCrate for October. But yeah, hope you have a nice weekend, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.